recovering your Roblox account, even if you don't have any sort of email address or password or anything else, all you need to do is to have your username. So after that, what you have to do is to go ahead on the Google Chrome and search Roblox boot form. And on the first link, just go ahead and click on that and provide the necessary data like your date of birth. And after the date of birth, what you have to do is to go and type in your username. And after that, just give me a second, your username, first name, email address, confirm email address. So these are some essential things that you need to provide in order to get the your account back. So these are some of the things that you need to do. And after that, they will ask questions like your username, approximate date of account creation, any detail about the recent activity purchase made, items like Robux transactions, name of the any friends or games you have played frequently, any other information that might prove you are the account owner. So these are some things that you need to get in touch with. And these are some things that you need to provide information about. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel. Take care. Bye bye.